the President General and the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, the Vice President Democratic Party, the President Women League Democratic Party, the National Chairperson Democratic Party, and for your Biruba, for your Roba, Moleon, Nikin Wipade. Before one share Babu, Ania Kiloni Clipatare, Brilliant you will. Antina Mabor, a list. Fredo keep Buddha Reda, but God is in control. Roman did by the American. Long before Chair Babu, we I told me to call me, but Democratic Party, Magiti, he actually, Kimokene Mago Ake, Kadir Mapat, Bahuti Borokai, work long you, or more give to you, a foil.
Team over your tell Democrats. They are going to sit.
Ladid Wilma Warren and Martin, Party President Mamekwa, I didn't know about now. Kiwe or do my part, my war kiki, or meanwhile fearless. My intini go wide, or avoid Bodluba. Because you go in, come be here, with reduction party. The water or do you wake with my part, make this to my part material actually. L'hôtel n'est pas de décision government. Car il qu'il doit encore doudu, Anamuruba, Nia Giloni Atela, Ben, Kizito. Ati one comp Democratic Party, Iomoro District, Uye Chamanki War Madiri, where new Joduju Magulu, Unyogo Birokani, Yopi Mama Aki Iomoro District. O Amalo, where can you know Palata room, can you weekend? Mofo mate ka otiego otie kunu mabe eto message na bot pade beru guji peo beru gin mayor peo aki guji otiego yopi ogit koma puruti oguji peo che tunu yopi ingoma meku fo mate
Onyang lokarone Kala parichai mo ene marke welda beru gudi o reto mafuri.
Protocol observed. Padone ratuna ofu. Nia kiloni Robert Komagets ate kan meka won kompe amoro. Pi maliet. Uchogi tungu nyao, uchepo bako poroche. Ngotero wa imari.
Before Rodo Yesu Christo, the deed President General, Kilo bi Roweng mi party, Luak mi pade, Amoruva, Nia Francis team, Ati Council and Achumpe Luak, Kume Kirombe, Iba Degele Ibi Division. Ati Wancom, pa Democratic Party, Iba Degele Ibi. Afoyu Lubame Polo Medugum. Before Yesu Christo, Kipaulo ba Wilma Warren Martin, Party President, the Democratic Party, Kachel Kirutela Duju, the Democratic Party, Magiti Kinwakan, Wigikomi Luara, Magidor Party, Ki District Mapatpat, Anya Team Joffrey, Ati Wancom Democratic Party, Igulu City. Bakbere, Ati Mayor, Igulu City, Mayor Mela Rope. Ofoyo Mayor Lawara, Mot Kipero Metika Warrior, Atamo Luak Mepate, Lokimir Donki Tiaka Dikal Kain. Kamale Kain. Pedak gino mo time kui dong gino madam na chori wachwalo ko dogam kadok wachawro ni bigam opo
Robabe kare dujo kinye kilonya no yadjase achuk mega ka Wancom make group district nupade la diet moti kilwakai wajole bache ni nero mo Uyo bibi luri boara.
Uwe okipuru peo ye wangi. Apoya.
Utima kija uweka anyot jomo waki Gulu City wa malo jomo DP waki Gulu City uwe waki sida imala wa chelo. Foil mataya foil.
The Lord is good all the time. Thank you so much. The President General, the Vice President, President Women's League, the NEC members, ladies and gentlemen. I am called Asik Maxwell, the District Chairman, Koboko District in Western.
Asik Maxwell, Wankompa DP Koboko.
Secondly, I am the Vice President, Uganda Young Democrats.
I
am honored today to be here in Padre. In fact, when I heard about my brother, I had to leave from Western Isle to come here and because he's one person who has influenced me, who have motivated me. And this is a challenge for us as the young people of this country. The spirit of truth and justice is evidenced by him. Therefore, let us follow him. In fact, I have to sacrifice myself for my community like him. Thank you so much. I have my sister Hajira. She is the secretary for Thank you so much.